Insurgencymusic.com. Insurgencymusic.com.
Straight motherfucking ballin'. Part 2, still ballin'. Corrupt up in this motherfucker. West side. Now ever since a nigga was a seed, only thing promised to me was the penitentiary. Still ballin'. Riding on these niggas cause they late. In the 6-1 Chevy, still heavy in this game. Can you feel me? Blame it on my mama, I'm a thug nigga. Up before the sunrise, we get in the truck, can you tell me if it's up? Nigga, every first of all, some these bitch made niggas sit 'em up. West side, ain't nobody love me as a broke nigga. Finger on the trigger, Lord forgive me if I smoke niggas. I like my female strap, the fucker from the back. I keep my currency in stacks. California's where I'm at. Ride, pass by while these niggas wonder why I got shot but didn't die. Let them see who's next to try. Did I cry? Hell nah, nigga, tear shed. For all my homies in the pen, many peers dead. Niggas still ball till the day I die. You can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'. Niggas wonder why. You can bring your crew, but we remain true.
They done did it, let the dog out the cage. I'm pumped, dunk with the gate. I done did it all. Everywhere I go, I ball. Precise, keep my game tight. Over show, I fall. I'm the invincible. My sister top principles loop. Like the heat to the moon. Got the heart to shoot. I get stitches. Play the game with BB Bridges. When I was young, dreaming about money, fame, and bitches. I like fat asses. Slowly as time passes, I found nothing but money rules, time and space. And in this realm of thoughts where all the fucking murders take place. And I'm in it to win it. I'm out to get paid. Got all these bitches on my dick from all the money I made. It's a trade I've acquired. Growing up, inspired naturally. I don't give a fuck. I'm murderer for high.
Still ballin' till the day I die. You can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'. Niggas wonder why. You can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still everybody wanna see us dead. You murdered on the front page, shot the death bullets to the head. Niggas holler out my name in a similar way. Motherfuckers know I'm coming, so they run into their graves. Watch, swoop down with my nigga from the pound. Cause corrupt don't give a fuck. When you carry niggas stand blast. Keep pumping, ain't worry about nothing but the story was front. So reload and keep coming.
I feel heat everywhere niggas see me up in the streets. I don't tweak, speaking straight 38 under the seat. Mash, mission mode, my thoughts withhold. Plots and plans for scams, money bags to go, rolling dog pound on this midnight ride. Ever since we hit the road, we got stationed with no hesitation. Make moves, nigga, Mr. Too Smooth, the elaborate. You're slow like motion. Focus on the money that's made and sip on this poisonous potion. Glamour get you got too much heat, too hot. Get shanked, get shot, indulging in this poisonous plot. Fame and fortune, fortune from game, weed and zags, endless amounts of cash. Jags, it's all the same. Ain't shit ever gonna change as long as there's money to exchange, nigga.
Till the day I die, you can bring your crew, but we remain true. Motherfuckers still ballin'. Niggas wonder why. You can bring your crew,